Hey folks, look what I have found here today. This guy lives right down the street from my father, and I was taking my father home and ran up on this. This is a gentleman named David, owns this beautiful Oldsmobile. It's a 1970 Cutlass, and it's a 350 Rocket Olds. It was originally a 2-barrel, and he's only had the car a couple of months, and somebody put a 4-barrel intake on it and a 4-barrel carburetor. You see, it's a factory air car. Look at the front of this car. Look how beautiful that is. Wow, that is gorgeous, folks. 1970 Olds Cutlass. Check out these wheels. Beautiful automobile. You mind if I open this door, David?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Wow, look at here, folks. Look at that. Bucket seat. Look at these seats.
These wheels are American Racing. They're not original,
right?
But they're very close to what was on there originally.
Yeah, I thought they were. Are they 15-inch?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I thought they looked a little not quite stock. Let's walk on around back. Look how nice this vinyl top looks, folks. I mean, this car is beautiful.
Of course, I just put some more.
He put a little shiny stuff on it for you folks.
But I've redone the trunk. I put the new painted the trunk up, and then put the new mat down.
Oh, you painted in here? Oh, this right here with the trunk spatter. I got you. I got you. And this is the dealer that it came from. It came out of Kansas originally, folks. Everybody knows that. J. Holstein, Newton, Kansas. There's the old rocket emblem. He's out here polishing it, and we were driving by and saw it. Now check this out. It's got a 700 R4 transmission in it. Somebody's added that with the overdrive. Look at this car. Oh my, look at this instrument cluster. How beautiful. These cars were so cool back in the day. Like I said, a factory air car. Look at that shifter, that console. They're really cool. Those seats look so comfortable. My goodness.
Yeah, I'm having a hard time finding.
You can fix that.
Pop these out.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It takes time. You got to take a punch and a little hammer and just kind of work it out. I've done a few on some of my cars.
Have you?
Yeah. It does take some patience.
I couldn't find any online.
Oh really?
So far.
Have you ever been on Facebook Marketplace? It's a lot of car stuff on Facebook.
Really?
Oh yeah, a lot of car stuff. Oops. Folks, if you know anybody that's got one of these, so he don't have to beat that one back out, let me know, because he lives right down the street from my father, and I can let him know.
I got to replace all the weather stripping. I did this one here on both sides, but now I've got to do the this weather stripping here.
Right. That's probably Metro probably sells that.
You know, for 50 years old.
Oh Lord, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's good shape.
I think you're right. Yes. How old is that paint on this car?
Well, here's my thinking. I think it's been repainted, but they didn't do a very good job with it. But it's the original color.
Right.
Only because if you look at the in here and on the door wells, they didn't buff it all out.
You got some scratches over here.
Yeah, I've got a couple scratches.
Let's see what you're talking about. You got some scratches. Oh yeah, we do have some scratches right here.
I've got the original
those are
hubcap.
deep.
He's a scratch man now.
Those are deep though, Pop. I don't think I can fix those.
Yeah, those go down. I got the original hubcaps.
Is that overspray?
No, I think I don't know if it's overspray or if it's
Looks like it might be primer overspray.
yeah, it is. I just need to clean that up. I thought it was worn.
Yeah, there you go. You can get you a Scotch-Brite pad and clean that right up.
Yeah.
All right, folks, there you have it. 1970 Oldsmobile. This is one awesome automobile.
Floor mats. I was just cleaning it.
Original floor mats in this car, folks.
I got the other one up on there. I was just washing it off.
Well, I want to thank David for letting we walked up on him by surprise and he let us do this video. That's car folks for you right there, folks.
See this?
Yeah, I see what you're talking about.
That's all got to be.
You know, I have had some luck with Rock Auto on stuff like this.
Really?
Rock Auto, and the prices really aren't that bad either. And it's either going to be made by A&M Soft Seal or Metro.
See, I found several Oldsmobile dealers online. One's up in Michigan, one's in Kansas, of course.
And they still have parts for these?
Yeah.
The dealer, really?
Oh, they got all kinds of parts.
Okay.
In fact, I've got the factory assembly manual.
Do you really? The assembly manual?
The assembly manual of this Cutlass.
That little package tray needs to be replaced. You can probably buy that.
Oh yeah, I'm working on the big stuff right now.
Yeah.
There's no speakers. It's got the AM, FM, or
Right.
AM radio in it.
Right.
But I plan to eventually put I found the Oldsmobile stereo,
Right.
Bluetooth.
Well, did you really?
Yes. And
Well, let me end this video right here, folks. Let's get this thing getting along. But, folks, well, again, thank David for letting us look at this, and I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel, please. We'll talk with you later. Thank you.